Okay, we got the canoes loaded. Boom, we're here at the river. About to pull out the kayaks, make our way there. And it's raining a little bit, but that's okay. A little holder here, which is cool. We got one down.
She'd be sick, Captain. Fastest in the fleet. Here we are on our adventure. Bradley's leading the way. It does look like we're going into a field of greens. Poison, or deadly but not poisonous, healthy but also poisonous at the same time. I don't even know how to describe that. These beautiful wild roses.
But we're ready to freaking go. Boom! I love it. Abby survived the rapids. I guess let me know if I'm about to hit anything as they go backwards. This looks pretty cool. So is this all untouched wilderness?
Yes.
Like no one lives in these directions except for probably like bears and wolves and chupacabras.
I think it's actually the protected wilderness too.
We made it through the rapids though. I wish I could have got camera that, but that was
I thought about that, but I
well.
said no, my phone's gonna get
yeah.
if I do. Boulder Peak.
Boulder Peak. Rumor has it that anytime Boulder Peak appears, ominous music will start playing. Look at the size of that tree. That's massive. That is Abby looking next. Okay, yeah. Wow. We need like GoPros or something. Right now I'm just gambling with my phone and plastic bag. Taking a little break because we hit this part that is way too shallow.
Cheers.
Cheers. We were going to an estuary, you said?
Yeah, so this is going to feed out into the bay. So we're actually doing a kind of fun, long trip. It's the first time I've been on it. Same for Brad.
Awesome.
So we'll see what happens. I'm hoping we see some wildlife along the way.
Well, certain wildlife. Sound like eagles and something else giving out a warning as we were coming down here.
Yeah, they're right up in here somewhere. The eagles are like not happy. They're like, wah, wah. So that means they're like, someone's here, protect the babies. Probably watching us with their predatorial eyes. You know, they have like a crazy vision, hawks and eagles.
Do they really?
Yeah, it's like, don't quote me on this, but like 4 times the amount of a human. I mean, it's insane. They can see like mice running around on the ground when they're like up there in the sky. And you're like, how in the heck could you see that?
I don't think I've been in a kayak since like Boy Scouts or something. Probably maybe like my early 20s, you know? So this is pretty freaking sweet.
But it seems like all the memory of how to steer.
Kayaking there, bitch.
Oh, did you?
Oh yeah, well you used to take all the boat courses one by one whenever you got the summer camp in Forestburg because it was the best. You're out on the lake at least one part of every day. But yeah, kayaking, canoeing, small boat sailing, rowboating.
Ooh, we got an eagle. Let's see if my camera will pick it up. Oh, he went in the bushes.
America, another one.
Those were the ones that were squawking at us.
In America, no big deal. Just bald eagles flying around. The other one was shy. This one's like, yeah, man, get me a camera.
Got stuck on a little high spot, so we have to walk him through. Come in, brother. Hey, yours is a nice rig, by the way.
I like this. Lots.
Oh yeah, there's some high rocks here still. See you later, Sparky. Oh gosh, I love him. Bradley alone in the wilderness. All right, Bessie. Let's go. No, Brad! Bradley, no, you got high scented. Yeah, Brad. He seems to know what he's doing. When this gets deeper, it's nicer. Although you'll get in these current parts and it's kind of fun. The ye old Christmas tree.
Come down on a helicopter. Put all the lights up. We're going to put the solar generator there. And every night, they just light up for anyone who's kayaking at night, which is no one. So the bears will get to celebrate Christmas with the rest of us.
I love it.
Hello, Captain. Grand day to be going kayaking, isn't it? Absolutely terrific. Absolutely terrific.
Spot on, yeah?
Golly hell.
I always feel like the sand people, you know, when they're like, yeah, I need to have the mask, you know.
It's so peaceful here. Oh, that was a rock.
Pretty shallow here. You can see the rocks.
I think he was running on the water. Like right above the rocks. How many miles do you think we've kayaked already?
I was trying to figure it out. I think probably 10. I would
10
say
already.
around 10, but we will see. Brad, he's like, babe, I'm a surveyor. That's what you said. You're like, I'm a
listen,
surveyor.
once
I
we
can
get
figure
home,
this out.
you show me on the map, and I will figure out exactly how far we've got. We just saw this eagle attempt to get a fish. The second I put my freaking phone away, he jumped in, but he only got seaweed again. He's scoping it out.
He's just going up there so he can see better.
Uses eagle eye.
He's still doing it, so he's still going for it. He's still hungry.
Yeah. He was like, I'm doing something today. Okay, what I gotta do? I ain't going home until I get a damn fish. Look. It's almost time. Goes. Let's go for it. Oh man.
He said, screw you guys. The fish aren't here. You scared him
Yeah,
away.
yeah.
Oh, he's going for higher perch
These-
territory.
These two jamokes scared
Dude,
all
there's
this
a
fish.
duck
Yeah.
down there. Let's go kick its butt. So, there's where it goes out into the bay. I am very impressed with these kayaks. I am so happy we got these.
Me too.
It's like a good break.
Yeah.
I just saw it. Avoid that, matey. Oh no, I hit your oar.
I am not facing the right way.
Cheers. All right, we're coming into the bay.
There was just a seal. There he is. He's watching us. What's up, little seal? Is he swimming towards me?
Gonna get you, Brad.
Dance acoustica.
Oh,
Hey, you went down there. Imagine you popped up right in front of me.
Mussels. Glorious mussels.
So mussels are amazing. I would come out here and pick them every day.
Yeah, this is just gonna be a massive mussel.
I didn't realize, dude. I thought these were all rocks.
These are all
It's a
mussels.
freaking billion mussels right here. Whoa.
And these are also really good bait. They don't hold onto your hook long, but if you crack open a mussel, put on your hook, fish will go for it like crazy. I'm gonna drain this bad boy while I'm here. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was big. I hope that wasn't a freaking salmon shark. Dude, let's get the heck out of here.
What was it? I heard it.
That was big. I hope that wasn't a freaking salmon shark. Let's get the heck out of here.
salmon
Okay.
and the salmon sharks go right in the mouth of the bay.
All right, let's get the frick out of here. Okay, we are actually entering the bay. It's actually really deep right here. And there's a lot of water on either side of me. But this is pretty cool. We have to make it to the end of the bay where our car is.
There he is. He's been watching us. So we are journeying and my parents are here.
Called property? Oh, there's mussels all inside.
So you're talking about this stuff? Or they're the big, this is a big one.
Any one stop, maybe there was some medicinal stuff in there. They kind of like little juice. Nice.
Yeah, here's some gel.
Big ones are already empty, I think.
This one has a whole bunch of mussels in it.
Okay, so this is the goose tongue then, and then this is the, yeah, this is the beach asparagus. This you can literally pick and eat like this.
Really? That's
Yeah.
awesome.
This is the goose tongue. This is also a cousin to the plantain. Actually, it's not even cousin. It's like, it's basically the same plant, but there's one that's for in saltwater. And the on land one is called plantain, and that's the one we use a lot to make plantain salve. Or you put it on cuts. That's really good against infection. You use it the same way you would use triple antibiotic on a cut.
We found a little island here in the middle of the bay. Goes down about that far. We stopped, trained our boats, drained out. Boom, hung out. And we are ready to go the rest of the way. Dun, dun, dun.
Hi, Mom. He's Dad.
Well, that was our kayaking adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more Alaska adventures.
It's just so nice.